Sohal Welding Works and upto Welder, a complete solution to scaffolding. Present standard Cuplock welding machine with new European design. Easy to operate control panel. Variable speed from potential meter to adjust welding bead thickness. Pneumatic cylinders of Janatix brand and slide made of SG iron built up with Allen guideways. Lock pin holder to position standard in its position. Set up with 3 MIG welding machines and 6 welding guns to weld 3 meters standard in 2 rotations to save electricity load and, most important, money. Gives high accurate results of welding. Same machine is used for welding 1.5 meter standard Cuplock. Increases production with 0% rejection. High-quality welded products. Sohal Welding Works and upto Welder, a complete solution to scaffolding.